So we have created the perfect dog treat. This is called a Kong. It's very similar to this red one here, but you can have this one also. But you're gonna have a layer of dog food with a layer of melted peanut butter, with a layer of cut up bananas, with another layer of peanut butter, with another layer of bacon, and layer of dog food, and peanut butter, and leftover bananas, and peanut butter. Look, oh, that drizzle. You gotta melt it though. Oh my god, look, she's probably drooling somewhere. Where is she? I don't know where she is. And then you will put it into the freezer. And the final touch of a little bit of bacon.
I think the real issue we need to deal with is his germ phobia.
Oh yes, you don't want him turning into Howard Hughes.
Look at that.
Growing his nails out. Peeing in a jar.
Why would he pee into a jar?
I don't know why he peed in a jar. I just know he did.